I'm Chris, born in Germany. My hometown is Dortmund. And I graduated from the MSc in Finance in 2018. And my bachelor in Business Administration was very theoretical. It was basically 100% exam, so no assignments as such. But here then I was very happy about it. You have on one side the exams, but you also got projects. And the good thing about the projects are, one side you work with other people. Like, it sounds, it's not that difficult to work as a group, but it actually is, because you get all the international exposure as well. I remember in one of my projects we had people from Asia, from the States, from Europe, so it gives you a nice touch, because you have to align with everyone. It's very easy to meet people. The Irish people are very friendly, so it's not only out there, it's actually true, so everyone will see that it's a great place to be. It's a very vibrant city, young people, you can go out. You can also spend a lot of time on the campus. I joined, for example, the Trinity Student Managed Fund as one of the societies. So you can follow your interests as well during your time here. They have plenty of options. This was a finance-related society, but there are also sports and I think cooking was there. So plenty of options to follow your interests, meet new people, and have a good time here. So at the end of the course, you got to do a thesis, and my topic was in ESG investing. So it's all about sustainable investing. And during your thesis, you work, or you get a mentor. And one of the mentor I got he was very helpful. He's within the industry, he's a practitioner, so it was very much hands-on. We had a couple of meetings, so every time you had questions, you can just approach him, and he was very friendly. So that was, I think, very helpful, especially the topic. I mean, my current job, it's in a credit fund. It's an asset manager from the States. It's Guggenheim Partners, and even there, I face ESG investing. So although it's a thesis, it's supposed to be theoretical. You see that you get the opportunity to actually apply it in the practice then, and I think it was a good foundation to build up. So once I finished my course, I applied to a couple of jobs in Dublin, and I got the chance to work for a credit fund. It's an asset management in the US. The company's in Guggenheim Partners, and I worked there as an investment analyst. So basically, like the things you learn during the master's, financial analysis, corporate finance, it's basically my day-to-day work. So having this as your foundation and building up then in your job, was a very good combination. So during the day, looking at companies, seeing if it's a potential investment, it's very exciting, and I can just recommend everyone who is into finance, who likes corporate finance, to follow this path. And I think without the masters in Trinity, I don't think I would have got the job there. So I'm very grateful, and I'm happy I chose the MSc here in Trinity.